Okay, I'm going to give you a glimpse into the dark arts of card magic, okay? So I need a randomized deck of cards here, and in particular, I just need 12 random cards. Now, if I had a spectator here, I would just have them choose those cards, but I'll go ahead and just select cards from various places. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There you go. We'll mix these up. Now I'm going to say out loud what I'm thinking, which normally I would not do, but it'll help give you a glimpse as to what's going on in this weird realm. Okay, so what are the cards that we just happen to randomly choose? Well, this is what I see. I see 1. I see 11. That's what I see. I see the number 11. That's kind of weird. So why would I see the number 11? Well, we started over here, so I just did an LR shuffle, which lands us over here in the realm of 2 cycles. Okay, so we can do a Charlier shuffle. We can actually do a SuperCUT. So this is where you just count out any number of cards and then move into a Charlier shuffle. Okay, kind of fun to do. We can do a Klondike shuffle from here, if you've seen that before. So Klondike Shuffle will land us over here in the wonderful world of mirrored structures. Once there, we have something called the stay stack principle, which will keep us on track. Random stacking here, we can deal into 2, 3, 4, even 6 piles if we would like. Maybe we'll just do 3. Okay, how would you like those stacked? Left to right? Okay, very good. Well, we can actually do an even or odd up jog. Isn't that interesting? Where you strip those out and then, strip those out and then randomly stack those. Okay, and then from there, I think what we'll do is we'll just Klondike pairs to the table. Now remember that number 11. So what does 11 stand for? It stands for the fact that there will be exactly 1 red pair of cards and 1 black pair. That's what it stands for. Okay, well, that's not a red or black pair. What about here? Nope. What about here? Nope. 1 red pair. Well, apparently one of these is a black pair. No more red pairs. This better be black. And it is indeed 1 red pair and 1 black pair. I saw it in my mind's eye from the very beginning. Now, of course, that could have been chance, right? So why don't we go ahead, we'll just take some cards from a different part of the deck here, okay? So 12 cards again. Let's move those out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12's there. Let's randomly mix these. Okay, what arcane number do I see now as I glimpse the cards here for just a moment? Well, I don't know. What do you see? Okay, I can tell you what I see. I see a 1 plus 10 is 11. I see 11 again. What are the chances of that? That is absolutely amazing that I would see 11 again. Okay, so we started over here as an AMP, which is down in the bottom. I just did a Mon shuffle, which takes us to the wonderful world of mirrored structures. How would you like these stacked? Right on left? Okay. We can even do what's something called a FARO Shuffle. That's a famous shuffle. So what you do is you just break the packet exactly in half, and then you perfectly interlace the cards. And so that's called a FARO Shuffle. Very nice shuffle. We can do another manche if you would like. Over, under, or under, over. Either one would work just fine. From there, we can do a Charlier shuffle. Charlier shuffle. Once again, we can do a SuperCUT. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move into a Charlier shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Move into a Charlier shuffle, and then maybe one more. 1, 2. Very good. Move into a Charlier. Now this time, I think what I'll do is I'll just deal them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what was that special number I saw in my mind's eye at the beginning? It was 11. Well, what does that mean? That means there'll be exactly 1 red pair and 1 black pair. Well, let's check that. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. So we're looking for 1 red and 1 black. Oh, there's a black. Now, there better just be 1 red pair here, and that's it. Oh boy, talk about a cliffhanger ending. This better be red, and it is indeed. we nailed it a second time. Well, that could also be chance, right? So let's go ahead and we'll try that a third time and call it good and just see how we do here. So here's kind of the rest of the deck all mixed up here. Let me just mix these, and we just need 12 of them now, as before, of course. Okay, so let's see how we do this time. So have you figured out my system? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I think that was 12. It seemed like 2 of them went together. So we'll check in just a second. So we just want 12 cards. Let me just double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we nailed it. We got 12 cards, even though the cards are going everywhere. Okay, so what number do I see in mind here? In my mind, I see a 10 plus another 10. I see 20 this time. Oh, finally, we got something different. I see a 20. Okay, so just remember that number, 20. Okay, I'm doing a left-right. I started here. I landed there. We can go ahead and do a Charlier shuffle as before. People seem to really like the SuperCUT, which is fine. Okay, 1, 2, and then we just move into a Charlier. 1, 2, 3. Move into a Charlier. That would be just fine. We can actually do a 50% coding, so that's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Random stacking here. You want left on right? Okay, very good. From this point, we can actually deal into 4 piles, if you would like, with random stacking from left to right or right to left. You want to go from right to left? Okay, very good. We can do that. And then from there, we'll Klondike shuffle these little cards. Like so. There you go. And at this point, we'll just set out pairs. There's 1 pair, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What was that number I thought of at the beginning that I saw? Oh, it was 20, wasn't it? 20. So there will be exactly 2 red pairs and 0 black pairs. Well, what do we get here? 2 red and 0 black. 2 red and 0 black. Oh, but it looks like we got at least 1 red. 2 red and 1 black. 2 red and 0 black. Well, we nailed it. And I'm going off the screen. Okay, so well, just in case you think that was just luck, some kind of crazy random luck, let's do that one last time here. So we just need some of the cards here. We'll mix them up quite well here. And so I just need 12. Just 12 cards as before. So let's see here. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's mix these thoroughly. Okay, so what special number am I going to see this time? I don't know. Let's put them out and find out here. Okay, what number do I see as I set these out? Well, I don't see anything all that interesting until the very end. That's actually not true. I actually see a 1 and a 10 and another 10. What does that add up to? It adds up to 21. That's what it adds up to. So let's go ahead and just move from the realm of AMP structures to the realm of 2 cycles. Kind of a good way to go there. And then we'll do a 50% coding. That just means you deal out half the cards and then randomly stack these. Maybe we'll stack like that. At this point, we can do an up jog if you would like. Even or odd up jog would be just fine. And then you just strip those out and then have the spectator decide how to stack those right on left. That's just great. From this point, we can do a Klondike. We've done that before. That's kind of a fun one. Okay, and then from here we can actually deal out into even piles if you would like with random stacking. So how would you like that one there, this one here, that one there, and then we can even do a little bit more. Why don't we do a left-right but with kind of random placement here? Where would you like the next level to start? Over here? What about this one? There. Okay, what about this one? There again. Left first, and then right, then left. Okay, very good. Let's go ahead and put those down. And then we'll do a Klondike shuffle. Boy, these cards are really getting warm here. Okay. And then we're going to deal them out in a different way than we have up to this point. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'll deal in reverse. Isn't that kind of fun? Okay, so what was that number I saw at the very beginning? I believe it was 21. So I think there should be exactly 2 red pairs and 1 black. Let's see how we did. 2 red pairs and 1 black. Oh, we got 1 red pair and 1 black. Oh, 2 red pairs and 1 black. This better not be a matching pair. And it's not. We nailed it. Okay, so to become a master of the dark arts of card magic, join the Absolute Math Magic channel now.